So this is our ripe plantain. I love using ripe plantain to make my roasted bolly. So this ripe plantain, what usually I'll do is I'll rinse. After rinsing, then I'll separate them. After separating, I'm going to cut off those two edges. It doesn't really taste fine. Then I'll make sure after separating the both edges, I'll just open it up and make a slight cut so that the heat will penetrate inside the bolly. So I'm going to make a slight cut, not a deep cut. So I'm going to place them for me to roast them in my oven. So I've just arranged them, just well arranged. I'm just going to put it. It doesn't really take long. It just takes some few minutes and it will be ready. Wow. Can you see our roasted plantain? So lovely. So you can enjoy your roasted plantain with your granuts. You can enjoy it with your stew, your sauce. You can enjoy it even with your beans.